Oh man, he's killing it again with that cheap tripod game. Oh. Alright, we're getting way too fancy up in here now. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? That is awesome. Oh yeah. What is going on, guys? Ghost here. It is really bright out here. I can't even see. Good grief. There we go. We'll turn around this way. Now you can't see me. You see me now. Anyways, you know what it looks like. So today, it's going to be kind of a short little vlog. Actually, it is... Over the weekend, I went on vacation to New York, to North Carolina. So I had my videos and everything. So I came back. I didn't get to film any, and my cousin was going to film some work on a razor, but he didn't get to. So I don't have any footage of that because we haven't touched it since the last video. So it's actually 12:30, and this video is going to go up at 6 o'clock. So got a little things we got to do today. The razor still being worked on. He said in a couple hours, we should be able to fire it up and everything. Still have to put the starter and everything in it, and then just be able to try it out. So probably won't work on that today or tomorrow because tomorrow is 4th of July. So we're going to do some fireworks stuff with the family, everything like that. So won't get to work on the razor any. But I have a couple things I actually want to do. I got something I'm actually wanting to unbox. I said in the last video that I had like a little surprise thing. It's going to be pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and get that and unbox it. And I look really white in here. Holy crap. It's really hot out here too. When we went to the zoo, if you follow me on Instagram, you see where I post a picture on Instagram. But we went to the zoo. It was 100 plus degrees. Way too hot for me. I don't like... It was like no air whatsoever. It was just straight hot. I hate it when it's like that. You can tell when you have a lot of dodges. Dodge key. Dodge key. Dodge key. Dodge lights. Oh yeah. This one. Oh my gosh, it's hot in here. Holy crap. Alright guys. Here is the package. Yes, it's very nice. Alright, this came from Custom Designs 5J. Let's open it up. So I've been wanting to get this done for a project, and I had it in mind. I was actually talking to one of the guys I actually play with online, Major, and he's like, hey, his parents does this. So it's a family-owned company. I'm always a big supporter of family-owned companies because when I have my company, it changes your tune because, you know, you usually have to compare with the big guys or anything like that. So I'm a big believer in family-owned companies. All right. So, not happy? I am happy. That's cool that they do that. That way, if you're not satisfied, they'll help you out. Let's see. You don't know what this is yet, but this is pretty cool. This is a Punisher keychain logo. That's actually really sweet. I like that. Oh yeah. Alright. Before painting, remove packaging oil. Okay. You'll understand that in just a minute. Oh yeah. Bam. If you can't see that, that's the Ghost logo. That is my YouTube logo. Has the ghost in it. I love that. This is actually special made. I love that. This is awesome. This is actually going on the front of the razor. It's going to be painted orange to match the razor. It's going to go right on the grill. I actually sent them the dimensions and stuff, and they cut it out. I actually just sent them the picture too, and they went and like cut everything out of it. That is awesome. Look at that. That is great. And like I said, that's the oil on it. You just have to clean it and everything before you paint it and everything. That is awesome. I love it. So next one. And bam! If you don't know already, I'm a really big Superman fan. Have been for a long time. My last name is actually Sparks. So I always say that the logo is for the S for my last name. Love this. Alright, so this... Hang on, follow me. Alright, as you see, I have not got my floor concrete yet, mostly because I've been working on this. But I've been trying to find people who concrete around here. It is so hard to find like people who does stuff in West Virginia. I'm telling you, like metal shops and everything. It's like they don't even exist. So I've been trying to find people who could actually concrete this because they have to build it up because where it was on a slant. But I want this freshly concreted, so I'm still looking if I can find somebody. So when I do find somebody, there's a cat. Bad thing is I only had one cat, and now I have like a lot. I'm a crazy cat man. Not really. Anyways, this Ghost logo. I'm going to take this light bar off. It ain't even hooked up anyways. But this Ghost logo is going to be painted orange. It's going to go right there. Tell me how awesome that is going to look. That is going to be awesome because you'll be able to see it through there. Lifted on Tractor Tires logo. Woohoo! Yeah. So later on, I'm actually going to clean this and paint it. We're not going to do it today. Also, this will be painted orange, that orange color, and the star and the spokes will paint orange. So that's going to make it look. It's going to make it pop. It ain't going to make it look like it's just one solid rim, and make it put more definition into the rim. Holy crap! I left that lay in the sun just for a brief moment, and sucker's hot. All right, this is my baby, the Super Ram. I actually made this out of fiberglass a long time ago. As you see, I actually fixed this grill because this truck was actually in a wreck, and I had to do a bunch of stuff to it, but I just fixed the grill just for a time being. But we're gonna get a new grill and everything for it. But the Superman symbol is coming off, and this will be going on it. It'll be fitting just like that. That's basically the same size as mine. That's going to look good. And we're actually going to have this painted to whatever the color the truck is. I'm probably going to have it wrapped. So we'll probably have this wrapped. But it is going to look good. Superman logo. Alright guys, so if you want something made like this, which I don't know why nobody wouldn't, because that's like putting the custom touches on stuff. Like especially having like your own logo. It's just going to make it look even cooler. If you have like a special piece that you want done or anything, they actually do custom work, as you see. And I just sent him a picture and measurements, and bam, there it was. So go to 5jcustomdesigns.com. I'll actually put a link in the description to their site, because that's really cool. I was actually wanting to get that done, and when he told me done, I was like, holy crap, like I need to get in touch with them because I've got some stuff that I want done, and I really love it. It makes it more personal. I think more personal stuff you do to it is the better. So if you have a logo or anything like that, I think that'd be pretty cool. They actually have on their website where you contact them and get like custom stuff done. So go to 5jcustomdesigns.com. Bam! And just go there and check their website out. They do make, I think they have some pre-made stuff, but they also do custom stuff. So make sure you check that out. Especially if you're working on something. I mean, it just makes it personal. So, really don't have a lot planned for today. That was like my whole ordeal. But I knew I was like, I gotta come out here and do a couple of things. Probably tomorrow. Now I did say it was 4th of July, but probably tomorrow morning. I actually film it, so I will be filming. I have the 4th gen style bumper with the cutouts, the rear cutouts on the bumper. That would go over that. I actually ordered one. I think it's from a 2015, 2016, I'm not sure. Brand new and everything. It's like OEM. I'm going to be taking the bumper off of Super Ram because it's a little bit rusted. Now I redid the bumper on Colossus, but we're not going to put the LED light pods or anything in. We're going to take the bumper off of Super Ram and put this new bumper on. Now, I read somebody was like, oh, it fits, but you got to do a little work with it. So we'll have to see. I do have welder, grinder, a lot of duct tape, super glue, stuff like that. If we just in case we need to tape it on, ratchet strap it, nobody will ever know. Just don't step on it or touch it, look at it, or anything like that. But now, so we might do that tomorrow. Not for sure. Just plans change so much, especially where it's so hot lately. I wish I had my stupid floor because I'm wanting to get this. I'm getting one of those big old tall like air conditioners you hook a water hose up to. I wanted one of these, but still have to get it put power in, and it takes so long to get stuff done. But that might be agenda tomorrow. I am going to replace all the doors on that truck because they are completely rotted out. Baja fenders, and the bed is completely rotted out too. Doesn't look like it, but when you walk on it, it's gone. So I'm going to try to find a bed and stuff. I like to find some in like North Carolina, stuff like that, places where there's not a lot of salt. So basically the whole truck is going to get redone. That is my baby. That is my favorite truck ever, even over my first gen. So we're going to start working on that hopefully tomorrow because I kind of want to get done. We're going to get it wrapped too. So much stuff to do, but so little time it feels like. But I think right now I'm going to pull Colossus up because I haven't got it out yet. Show y'all the interior, because if you're just now tuning into the channel, you probably don't know a lot about Colossus. So I'm going to go over Colossus because this is like, I think this really started like my whole garage edition style. All right, everyone, meet Colossus. This is a 97 Dodge Ram. What really puzzles me is 97s, they usually have the older dash. This one has a new one, and no, it wasn't switched because it's cracked like crazy. Second gen life, you know what it is. So we're going to fix the dash in there one day. We'll probably do a custom one. It does need some work. Now, last year I did put like these squares and stuff on it. The designs, it really popped. It made it pop because it was just too plain. I need to clean. I actually need to get this truck out and start doing more work to it. I need to replace this. That was like that when I got it. Cab corners. Surprisingly, those aren't rusted yet. But we got to replace the cab corners. I need to get a new back window. I like to get a solid window for it. Got to get a window for the front. The only problem I have, these decals and stuff, is just right here. I think that's just where the sun hit it the most, as you see. But we can replace that real easy. Here are my headlights. Now these are the headlights that people said would not last whatsoever. They've been sitting out since, I think this truck is sitting in the big garage for maybe a week until I pulled it out and pulled the razor in. Headlights are still good to go. They still look good. They still work. Everybody's like, oh, you didn't paint it right, you didn't do that. They still look good, so apparently I did something right. Yes, I know these things have the old school General Lee looking grandpa rims on it. I don't like these. If y'all like them, that's cool. I don't like them. So I'm going to get probably 37s for this, or 20s. I do have some 20-inch rims in my shop. I have 37 trail grapplers or mud grapplers, but they were used when I got them, so I'm probably going to get a new pair. Again, I got to fix this side over here. Got to fix that cab corner. It's got a little bit of problems. The truck has a 9-inch lift on it. Doesn't look like the truck's that high, but is actually pretty daggone high. We did the bumper. The truck's done with like kind of purple. Put the inset of the purple lights, and then we rhino lined the bumper. Has an exhaust. All right, so this truck, I was working on the door panel, and of course kind of just came to a screeching halt. I think actually when I started working on like the American Force Gaming server, we're just basically playing 5M. I worked on it for a while because I was just, I worked on this forever, and then when my channel kind of took off, I basically put all my time and effort into, I guess, gaming everything. That's kind of why I'm trying to branch out back again, because I love doing this stuff. This is supposed to basically mount up here. It's going to be purple. We might end up doing a different route with this. Don't know yet. Now for the back, it looks pretty good. Again, never finished it. But it's fiberglass. Basically it went over like the stock door. That's how I built it to do. It just needs some love and care. Now we have the seat back here. This is what got everybody. They're like, is this like a car seat or something back here? No, this is a fully reclinable seat. What I wanted to do with it, well, it's dirty too. I wanted to put 4 seats in this truck, and then do a middle console coming up and put a sub and everything in. That's still the plan. I still need to buy 3 more of those seats. I built like a special bracket and everything, and then we was going to have to do harnesses. Well, the back we really wouldn't have to, but we'd probably do it anyways. But the front I had to do harnesses because Dodge gave stupid, ignorant seats with seat belts. This was actually painted white, and I put black paint over water and dipped that. That's how it made that effect. Pretty cool. But this truck's kind of tore apart inside right now. Kind of a shame. It really is. But I'm gonna fix it. But I mean, this is Colossus. This is what we're going. I have big plans. I just need to get back to work on them. That's why I was wanting my shop, so I can keep it cool and basically not die of a heat stroke out here because it's hot as crap. So a couple people asked me about rock lights that I should do for the Razor. I actually have rock lights. They are the X-Brite rock lights. They're the same ones I actually have on Colossus. They work really good, and they have an app and everything for them. So I will be installing these once we get the Razor put back together. Alright guys, this will do this for kind of vlog. I know we didn't really get to work on anything, but I did get to show you some of my toys and everything and kind of the plans. In the morning, I am going to start, I'll rip the bumper off this truck and put the new one on. I'll post some on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at gsparks11. I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff before it even gets posted on YouTube. But we will start working on these trucks because I actually have a list of stuff I need to order. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next vlog. Yeah.